Tipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo Junil Nono Wakwezon.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Debany, Anamekelonu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Maz. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Ella. Come on, let's give it up for her. Round of applause for Ella. So thank you, Ella, for sending in your Igbo Name of the Day request. So I asked Ella to describe herself for me. And one of the things that she said that stuck out was that she had a lot of perseverance, and that allowed her to overcome a lot of obstacles. So I'm going to give her the Igbo name, Chimamanda. Come on, say that with me. Chimamanda. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chimamanda. Okay, so Chi means God or destiny. In this context, it means, God. So it's Chim, which means my God. And then Ama means is not going to or won't, right? And Nda, Ida means to fall, right? So you put all that together and you get Chimamanda. My God will never fail. My God will never fall. My God will never let me down. So that is the reason why I gave her this Igbo name, because she said she was able to persevere, and that's because Chimamanda, her God will never fall. Her God will never fail. Okay? So Chimamanda's names give them the power to be tenacious, brave, and strong. Tag and share this video with all the Chimamandas that you know. All right, so if you're wondering why that name sounded familiar, Chimamanda, it is because that's the name of a famous Igbo writer, right? So she wrote Americana, and I think it was called Half Yellow Sun, I believe. So check out her books. So Chimamanda. So let me know what you think. Is that a fitting name for Ella? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say about this. Thanks. All right, so please like this video, leave me a comment below, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get a notification, and share this with your friend. Thanks a lot, and if you want an Igbo name too, hit my Instagram DM in the description box below and I'll gift you one. If you want your Igbo name featured and shared and talked about, then please also send me a message on my Instagram. And just let me know what you guys think about this series, what I could do better, what I could maybe, stop doing, or just anything you guys want to see, or any interesting things about the culture that you guys want to learn more about. Thank you. I appreciate your support of this channel, and I will see you